Welcome to the Joyride channel. If you're new, this is a family vlog channel with a big automotive passion. We have been doing this RV thing for about 3 years now. We do family vacations, events, and this has got to be one of my biggest and most expensive mistakes I have made yet. My awning is destroyed and I now have a hole in my roof. This video I will show you how and what I use to patch my roof. The awning got in a fight with the wind. Jesse's over here, he's kind of laughing at me. I called him up. As soon as we got back, he went back to his place. I called him up. He came back and helped me rip this awning down. And we got a small hole, puncture hole in the roof. So I think today we're gonna go get some coffee, and then in the meantime, see if we can maybe get some, what is it, Billy Mays flex tape? Billy Mays here. Roof, maybe some spray foam to fill in the hole. Gorilla glue. We'll find something. And then we could probably Gorilla glue that awning back on. Yeah. You think that'll work?
Duct tape it on there for now.
What I'd really like to do is go with an electric awning, but we're gonna just throw that in the car trailer on the way back. All right, well guys, let's show you guys this hole. Jesse's over here, he's gonna help me fix this. But we got these people in the golf cart like, what the hell is this guy doing? All right, ooh, there's the damage. Look at that. It's not, compared to my hand, it's not that big. So we're gonna do a temporary fix on it with some Flex Seal. Is this like a caulk, I guess?
Yeah.
And then some Gorilla tape, and we got white. And I'm gonna order some RV tape, some rubber tape. We'll see what people in the comment section say, because I don't know if anybody else has had an RV and had this issue. Maybe somebody else might know something better, but let us know. But you see, you can see plywood right there. So it's like 2 layers of plywood with like a foam insulation in between. There you go.
And they may make a big rubber patch where you can just put over top of all.
Oh yeah, like a big rubber patch.
I would do like a 2x2 patch.
Yeah. Oh, you guys clean the area?
Yeah, we took Dawn and...
Oh, I was like, look, man,
That's
there's like a perfect clean square.
Do we have a knife?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Is it
It's cutting it.
Dude, yeah. You wanna do the rest?
Just the tip.
Bite it, Tom. Just the tip. Just the tip.
I've heard that a lot.
Don't squeeze it, it might squirt. It says tough on there, so I mean, this is really tough. What does it say?
Hyper tough.
Hyper tough.
So
like
you know
for real.
It'll cut plastic.
Oh, cut that.
You might as well cut the...
Go balls deep.
Are you? The Gorilla tape on there, we'll let that dry. Yep, we got this. But look at the view up here, man. It literally looks like the camper's in the water from here.
Oh wow.
Cannonball. Dude, do it. Jump off.
I can see bottom, I don't think...
Uh-huh. You can see the bottom. Whoa, whoa.
It's something right there. If that shelf wasn't there, maybe.
Yeah, dude, the view out here is amazing. This is a nice campground.
There's the bridge.
Oh yeah, there's a bridge that we've been coming across. Eternabond. When I was at the RV park right after it happened, the guy that was next to me, he was actually an RV mechanic and recommended this. He said this is what they use whenever they have holes or any types of patches they need on the roof, because they actually sell RV patch tape. This is the same stuff, but this is the actual brand of it.
It has the micro sealant technology built right in.
Oh yeah? This is the 6-foot by 50-foot roll. I think it was like 75 bucks. I ordered it on Amazon. The main hole on the camper, I filled that with Flex Seal. So we've got Flex Seal. It's like a caulk that I put in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and patch the rest of the hole with that. Wow, bud, that was cool. just wasted a piece. Yeah, see, I just wasted a piece. But so I just decided that I would go ahead and video, because I was actually looking up online this stuff and I didn't find anything. So I figured, you know what, I'll make a video, put it out there for people, and hopefully it can help. And if this helped you, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I do have a section, I organize my videos with playlists, so I do have a section that has all my RV stuff on there. So if you guys are just interested in the RV stuff, check that out. But we also do a bunch of car stuff too with all my cars. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.